Welcome to all. In this video, we will discuss about the rectifiers. I am working as a lecturer in Kekewak Polytechnic Nashik. This rectifier topics comes under the subject basic electronics. Now move towards the concept of rectification. So first we will see what is a rectification. So rectification is the conversion of alternating current AC to DC. But after rectification, we cannot get pure DC. We get pulsating DC, which contains only positive half cycles. In this diagram, we see AC signal is input to the rectifier, and after rectification, we will get pulsating DC. So from this waveform, we comes to know after rectification, we get pulsating DC. Now, let us see the types of rectifier circuits. There are mainly two types of rectifiers. It is depending on their outputs. So first type is half wave rectifier and second is full wave rectifier. A half wave rectifier circuit rectifies only positive half cycle of the input signal, and full wave rectifier circuit rectifies both the cycle of input signal, that means positive half cycle as well as negative half cycle. The types of rectifier we will see one by one. So first we will see half wave rectifier. This is the circuit diagram of half wave rectifier, and here is the waveform of input and output. So in this circuit diagram, there is a step down transformer, one diode and one load resistor. Input AC signal is given to the transformer, which step down the voltage level of input signal. Then during positive half cycle of input signal, diode gets on, and we can say it will conducts, and we can get output across load resistor. So positive half cycle, we are getting positive half cycle at the output. During negative half cycle, diode gets off. That means there is no flow of current through the circuit. Hence, output across load resistor is 0. So, for negative half cycle, output is 0. So, this is the simple working of half wave rectifier. Now, we will move towards full wave rectifier. Basically, in full wave rectifier, there are two types: center tap full wave rectifier and bridge rectifier. But in this video, we will discuss about bridge full wave rectifier. So why it is called as bridge full wave rectifier? Because here bridge of diode is used. Bridge means there is a combination of four diodes D1, D2, D3 and D4 which form the bridge circuit. That's why it is a bridge full wave rectifier. Once again in this diagram there is a one transformer, bridge circuit of diode and load resistor. Across load resistor we are getting output. So this is a full wave rectifier circuit which utilizes four diodes connected in a bridge form to produce the output during full cycle of input. That means for positive as well as for negative half cycle. Now we will see the operation of bridge full wave rectifier for both the cycle one by one. So first we will see when positive half cycle of input is applied to the circuit. So when positive half cycle of input signal is applied across the bridge, then diode D1 and D3 makes forward bias while D2 and D4 reverse bias. So we know D1 and D2 are forward biased, so they will be on, and D2 and D4 are reverse biased, so they will be off. So from D1 and D3 current will flow and we will get output across load resistor. So for positive half cycle we can get positive half cycle at the output of bridge circuit. Now we will move towards negative half cycle. When we are applying negative half cycle to the circuit, then D1 and D3 diodes are reverse biased and D2 and D4 are forward biased. So through D2 and D4 current will flow through the load resistor and we get positive half cycle at the output. That means for negative half cycle input signal we get positive half cycle output signal. From this diagram, the concept will be more clear. In positive half cycle, for positive half cycle, we get positive half cycle output. In negative half cycle of input signal, we get positive half cycle. So combination of positive and negative, there is the final output which contains all positive half cycles. Means pulsating DC. We get after rectification pulsating DC. So the main difference between half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier is half wave rectifier conducts only for half cycle and full wave rectifier conducts for both the half cycle. So always bridge rectifier or we can say full wave rectifier is better than half wave rectifier. Now we will see the applications of rectifiers. So there are some applications. Rectifier is used for powering appliances. That means in every power supply of appliances, they contains rectifier. Then it is also used in AM radio. Again, it is used for modulation and it is also used for voltage multiplier. So in this way, we shortly discussed about the rectifier. Thank you.